Introducing the LXE 2-level Undercounter, exclusively from Hobart. Supercharge your throughput and wash more ware in less time. The second level boosts capacity to 48 racks per hour, giving you the fastest undercounter available, and much faster than a 3-compartment sink. 2-level washing is a great solution for mixed ware environments with limited space. Wash plates and silverware up top, and glasses, silverware, and hotel pans on the bottom. And when you take the rack out, the 17-inch opening height and NSF pot and pan mode can take on your toughest prep ware. The LXE is the only NSF-certified 2-level racking solution for undercounter commercial dishwashers. Speed up your dishwashing and get stuff done early. It's never been easier with 2-level washing on the Hobart LXE. Speed, performance, and Hobart clean.